now I'm going to do the unboxing of this one, separate item. And let's see what we get here. Here we go, nothing else in there. And what we have here is a very cool, as it says right there, smart power bank. Okay, what do you get in the box? It came in a little bit flimsy on this side, but what you get is the power bank itself. It looks like a charging cable, USB, very standard. Wow, this does feel very nice. I think it's aluminium, I'm not sure how you want to call it. But yeah, my first thoughts is it feels pretty good. Doesn't feel cheap or anything. Has two they're both outs. Oh, okay, cool. So you can charge two things simultaneously with this, and I guess you charge it by hooking the USB charging thing on here, and I'm guessing this tells you how much battery is on it. Whoa, it turned on. Okay, cool. Alright, so hope you guys like this quick unboxing of these two products, and I'll see you in the next video.